Go.
Hey guys, it's part 3. Oh, and by the way, our other video when we were trying to make it kind of got, ended. So we had to remake it because we were not ready.
Yep, so
we messed up. So we have a lot of good stuff, but no.
So we're playing 2-player superhero Tycoon again. This is our part 3, so if you haven't seen the other 2 parts, make sure to watch them. It'll just make a lot more sense. And what's happening, Leah?
I accidentally got a new weapon and it's super hard to control.
What weapon?
It's down here and you can fly with it. It's a hand jet. But I'm super bad at controlling. Yep. Oh, you can only go forward, backward, or whatever way you click. But I can't do that. Oh! Try it. It's so fun.
Okay. Let me check my inventory.
I guess it's supposed to make
Whoa.
you faster.
I got a little stuck. Okay, wait, never mind. Maybe I didn't. Okay.
Oh, it was supposed to make you faster. Right now, I'm just telling people that are trying to get Tycoon. Sorry, people who are watching. I saw me in this. JK Skater is trying to get a base.
Let's see.
Woo-hoo!
Okay. I don't know why this keeps happening. I have these laser eyes. Again.
I love the laser eyes. I'm glad we got it.
Yeah.
In video 1.
And these are the things we got in the mess up video. We got this magic carpet.
And we got so much more. We got
is this like a poison bow and arrow? Yeah.
I'm not sure. I think it's an oversea bow and arrow. I just noticed it.
Yeah, I think it is one. And then we have this. Oh, okay, there it goes. What are the diamonds for? Let's see what's in the store.
This dude finally bought a weapon stand, and I'm just gonna steal it as soon as he gets it. Oh, yeah, it's the one that, it's a book. Now I'm gonna quickly fly out of here.
Should I get a pets crate, death effects crate, or trails crate?
I don't know.
Okay,
I got the weapon crate thingamajing-ding.
I want like fun stuff.
I know, right?
I don't really want a weapon. Path. Okay. Why do we have a path now? Oh.
Huh?
Oh, we got a morph. Yeah, I'm just gonna save up for the 6th conveyor.
What? Bought us some more?
Yeah. Well, it costs $15,000.
What? Someone's in our base.
Oh, why do people always go in our base? Well, I guess a lot of people do go in everyone's base. What's this?
Okay.
Grim Dropper. Okay.
It's rather in Deadpool or Harley Quinn.
Oh, wow. Did you see all those crates?
So which one is better, Deadpool or Harley Quinn? Check that, and we should be able to tell who did it.
Okay. Wait, let me just get a few crates. Well, I guess not really a few. Maybe a lot. Okay.
And it is this dude. At least I think it was him. Or it might be Flash. It could be Wolverine. You never know.
Yeah. Well. Okay.
I think it was Doctor Strange. Because it wasn't Doctor Strange when he did it.
Yeah.
Let's put guard our base at all times.
Mm-hmm. Here, let's see if I have enough money for anything. I'll just get this morph to see what it looks like.
I just got the stairs.
Oh, okay. Leah, do I look like Cyborg?
OMG, you do!
Wow. Let's take... Oh.
I am serious. Oh, too bad it doesn't do anything.
That'd be cool if it, like...
If you could just fly double space.
Yeah.
That'd be great.
Or just, like, some kind of superpower.
Yeah.
I mean, we could already fly with the magic carpet. Let's see what's over here. Or not. Apparently they don't want us going over there.
We're honestly doing really good.
Mm-hmm. Where are you, Leah?
Leah, I have 73% done, and I'm just at my base making sure. Oh, you're right here. I almost mistaked you as an intruder.
Wait, check if your morph is the same thing.
Okay.
Oh, it's different. Okay. Ah.
Done?
Yeah.
How much time is left?
Well,
Like, what? How much time are we in?
9 minutes. 9 minutes.
Oh, it's not bad.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, check frequently, as in check a lot. Because you never know.
Your cyborg thing is just kind of broken because the eye is in the middle of the head, and
Yeah.
I might just keep this one on.
I like the blue one.
I know, but the eye thing is in the middle of the head.
I kind of almost mistake it was wearing a bikini with metal clothing.
Oh my
I
gosh.
meant metal skin. But then when you look at it, it's not.
Yeah. Okay.
What is that noise then?
Oh, yeah. I'm trying to get my phone the right way so the video could hear you. Oh, maybe this will work. Okay, I mean,
Is it bad?
it's actually better, I think.
Okay, good.
So,
Oh no! Someone's here.
oh no. Let's,
Well, they were.
this weapon is cool.
You almost killed me. You know
Wow.
what? You deserve this.
You kind of
I just
just,
fell off the building.
yeah, you kind of just hurt yourself.
That was a definite fail, guys.
Oops.
That was loud.
Oopsies.
Guys, can you guess what that is in the chat? I meant the comments below.
Yeah, just guess it. And
And if you guys find it out, congrats. We'll give you a shout out. But if there's 2 winners or 3 or 4, then I'll give you all a shout out at the end or in the middle of a video. Or
okay.
maybe in the beginning.
I'll tell you at the end. Leah, do you want to take a guess right now?
No, I don't want to. I know what it is. Like, I literally know.
Oh, you do?
So I don't want to give the hint.
Ooh, I can buy this dropper. Yay.
Really?
Yeah, they start getting built really slow. What happens if it gets built on...
Someone's here! I saw them fly!
What happens if I get built on top of it? Well, I guess we'll find out.
Shooting star. Bananas!
Oh my gosh, what happened?
I'm a banana! Bananas!
Bananas, bananas.
Oh, I'm a banana! Banana power! Wait, I never noticed that this dropper had wings.
Hola!
Oh, dude. Like, I thought that it had blue wings for a second. I'm like, am I imagining things?
Oh, I have like a tail. Wait, why do I have a tail?
Where?
Right here. See? Look. I can... Wait, now I have two tails. I have the dragon tail and then just like fox.
I knew it! There is diamond generators! I knew it!
Wait, where? Oh.
I've gone now. I'm gonna kill Thanos.
Good for you. What do these shoes do? Wait, let's try to bring Thanos to our base so then...
Yeah, then take the show. I will be right back.
Okay. Okay, so let's get these laser eyes. These. Oh, I walk so slowly without these. No, Thanos, don't kill this person. Come to our base instead. Yay. Why is he hurting me? Okay. We're fine now.
I am back!
Okay. Thanos is in our base. Fine.
Really? You brought him to our base? What floor?
The first floor.
We're gonna get so rich for doing this.
Whoa, what happened? Oh.
Let's do this every time, but did you push him?
No.
I'll start taking damage. Like where he hits me.
I'm at red health, so I can't take any damage.
Sorry, not sorry for the people who want to get some diamonds. But this is just for us. That'd be so sad if someone flew up and stole our diamonds. Remember, save some for me.
So tempting.
What's so tempting?
This diamond box.
You take it. We are doing super good.
Okay, I guess I'm building my diamond dropper.
You meant generator?
Yeah, whatever it is.
We are doing so good. I can't believe it. I never thought we'd get this far.
It's getting built so slowly.
I know, just watch it in the eye.
In the meantime, I'm just gonna buy Death Effect.
OMG, so many crates spawned.
Oh!
Goodbye, generator.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This thing made me... Oh my gosh.
What?
Okay, so we have 30 seconds left, so...
Let's end it off here.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.
We'll probably make a part 4 so we can just finish the Tycoon.
Yeah, well, bye guys. guys.
Bye.